yazi ngifunani ngifuna ukuthi uhlale lapha endlini udula namuntu omoki yetla re tlo isolve mamutlha mo o tla mpotsa re thabo ke mang o tlo mpotsa re thabo ke mang wa
so nya go la lena
ha ke lo le yena ha ke lo le yena
o tlo mo dira
ha re no bolela fela re bolela bjale ka batho fela ke conversation a o sampatla tisha tšhelete ka ge busha tšhelete ya ka e busha ke nyaka go fela ile feleletse wa kwa
oh what mfethu
ke re
re bola ka ma 70 something thousand musino
abuzubutse
o check a go bolelena hello so why would you tell this guy mara what is the problem hayi ngiyakubuza phela
usikambutsha ro tlangana be ka ro wa ba nthusha batho ba
so thetha man ke re wa umchitela
no like because I think he has
so the new boyfriend thetha the other boyfriend that you gave me okay I hear you who's the side nigga here and who's the main Utabo is the main.
Yeah.
This guy says he was giving you 15,000 per month. Is it true?
Yes.
He says he was giving you 15,000 per month. Is it true?
Yeah.
Oh, it's true.
I'll get more of them.
So now since you have another boyfriend, are you gonna lose that 15,000 per month?
I'm gonna get more as I say.
Oh, you're gonna get more. Oh, so you're dating a rich guy.
Yes.
Oh, they're leaving you for a rich guy. They're leaving you for a rich guy.
okay oh so wena uzuzu uyipuditse rent like uya wa ntlogela wena vele uyangiyeka wena
Wa upgrade.
uya upgrade wena